Hi everyone, it's Amber and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amber Goodwin Art. I'm so honored to be part of the Fluid Art Experience team, and I would like to personally thank Lee and Jeremy Massey for giving me the opportunity to be part of this event. I started out as a student and now I'm teaching, so I'm incredibly honored at this opportunity. Thanks again, guys. And today I will be creating an extremely abstract and extremely minimal ocean wave with heavy texture dots. I will be teaching two classes. The first one in the morning is my acrylic pour dot art fusion, which I have right here. And the afternoon class is my dot ocean wave. I have been experimenting with heavy texture dots for about 2 years, and four artists really inspire me. The first one is Mike Hammer Art, who is known as the King of Blobs. Next is Sara O'Connor Fine Art, and Brandon Rollin, who really inspired me to create these acrylic pour backgrounds. He uses deco art paint, and I wanted to use my favorite Amsterdam Golden and Tri-Art paints. So I experimented with mediums and am really excited to share that with you all. Last but not least, my biggest inspiration is one of my good friends, Kimberly Blackstock. We have gotten to know each other for the past year, and she's just an incredible artist. So I will have all of them linked down below, along with all of the instructors that will be teaching. And definitely go check out fluidartexperience.com. A couple of announcements before we start. If you are wanting to take advantage of the group rate at the hotel, the cutoff time is February 13th. So definitely take advantage of that. And also, if you're planning on attending the gala dinner, the tickets need to be purchased prior to the event. So head on over again to fluidartexperience.com to grab those tickets and sign up for the amazing classes that are offered. Well, let's go check out what I created. For today's painting, I am creating an extremely minimal and super abstract ocean wave. Now, this is a class, the Dot Ocean Wave class is a class that I'll be teaching in the afternoon. In the morning, I will be teaching this acrylic pour dot art fusion class, a technique that I created and I've experimented on for the past 2 years. Now, I feel like this sets me apart, so I don't really share my recipe. So this is a really great once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to learn from me on how to create heavy texture dots and incorporate them in your art. So definitely sign up at fluidartexperience.com. Now, I have created a ocean wave or a spiral with my chalk pen, and I'm using a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I have spray painted it with Montana spray in the color Pebble. And I am using really minimal colors. So here's ultramarine blue. I code the pigments that are on the tube because if I'm missing a color, I can simply look at those codes and mix up that color. That was cobalt blue, and then I'm using this little piggy Blue Eyes. I've never used this pigment before, so I really, really liked it. And this is a custom color. Again, I mixed with those pigment codes that I have there. And then here's another one of my colors, Sparkling Pearl by Nova Paint. I will let you guys enjoy the rest of the process, and I'll be back. Here is the wet result of my abstract wave. Now, these colors will dry pretty dark and the dots do tend to shrink a bit. Some are sticking and I'm totally fine with that. I mean, it makes it interesting. And I did change some of the composition. I added some of the white dots, which I will share in the next clip. But yeah, there you have it. Here is the semi-dried result of my painting. Now, I keep my dots super thick. That is why I don't like to layer them like my camera does with his blobs. Those are a little bit thinner in consistency. Those still take 4 to 6 weeks minimum to dry, just like these dots do. And as you see, some dots are touching, as I mentioned earlier, and that is totally fine. It actually adds more interest to the piece. I did change the composition slightly by adding some of the sparkling pearl dots, and I changed the cobalt blue dots on the corner there. I cannot wait to teach this, and I cannot wait to also experiment with different ombre backgrounds and spray paint, which I use a lot in my art practice. So let me know what y'all think. Well, everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is actually a series that I am creating with the minimal dots for 2 galleries, and 2 galleries wanted me to have a very minimal approach with my dots. So I really enjoyed creating this abstract piece. It is still drying and it will definitely have a coat of varnish on it. And I will definitely experiment more with different backgrounds. I use a lot of spray paint, so I'll definitely experiment with ombre backgrounds with spray paint. So super excited to do some more experimentation with dots and just do different things with them. And I cannot wait to paint with you all. Make sure you head over to Jessica Winterstrom's channel. She is also one of my mentors and I'm her teaching assistant. So I cannot wait to see you either in my class or her class. So once again, check out fluidartexperience.com. Cutoff date is February 13th for the discounted room rate. And then make sure to get those gala tickets before the weekend. Well, guys, until next time, stay safe and classy. Have a great weekend. Bye.